Even if you never plan to do your own electrical work, you need to know which breakers operate which electrical circuits in the house. Now, the first thing you need to do is find your electrical panel. Now, typically it's in the basement or crawl space, and it has the breakers themselves are labeled to which circuits they operate on the door. In this case, they're not, so we're going to have to add those later. But if you want to check which breaker to turn off, what you can do is if it's close enough to the panel, you can plug in a trouble light, stretch the cord out here, then turn on some breakers and see which one will eventually turn off this light. All right, so, oh, not that one. There we go. All right, so what's that? Number 7. So now we know, we can label it. The number 7 breaker operates that circuit. Now this is great if you're very close to the panel, but what if you're in the back of the house or upstairs, you won't be able to see the light. So the trick is to use a radio. Plug it into the outlet, turn it on full blast, come down here, and as you turn breakers on or off, you can listen for the music. When the music goes off, you know you've got the right breaker.